What is up bros, this is Jay back with another video and it's been a while since I made any video game related content on this channel. Trust me भाई, मेरा भी बहुत मन है Resident Evil और Crimson Desert continue करने का. Like Crimson Desert में तो मैंने day one अपना पैसा लगाया हुआ है, but I haven't had the time to play it because of a lot of things going on in my life right now. Also I'm trying to be very consistent on YouTube, तो मैं burn out हो जाता हूँ. Honestly मेरा मन भी नहीं करता कई बार गेम खेलने का. But tomorrow एक गेम रिलीज हो रही है. It's called First Light 007. तुम में से कुछ को समझ आ गया होगा. It's a James Bond video game. तो अगर तुम्हें जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवीज बहुत पसंद हैं, अगर तुम्हें जॉन विक स्टाइल एक्शन बहुत पसंद है, या फिर तुम्हें मिशन इम्पॉसिबल मूवीज बहुत पसंद है, टॉम क्रूज, तो तुम्हें ये गेम बहुत पसंद आने वाली है. इट्स लाइक इन माई स्टीम कार्ट राइट नाउ एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अवेलेबल टुमारो व्हिच इज 27 मई 2026. एग्जैक्टली एक दिन और 2 घंटे बचे हुए हैं इस गेम के रिलीज में. सो आई एम लाइक रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस और मैं इसके कुछ गेम प्लेस वगैरह देखना चाह रहा था, तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू इट विद यू गाइस. सो लेट्स वॉच द शोकेस ट्रेलर्स और बाकी गेम हमें कल खेलने को मिल ही जाएगी.
Everyone, welcome to MI6. To succeed in the 00 program, agents must understand a set of rules that will grant them all possible chances to survive. So, take a deep breath, listen up, and you may learn how to get the job done and return to HQ in one piece. The first rule is to know how to blend in. Keeping a low profile while navigating a crowd will help you find different paths to your objective.
Ken Banks, penetration tester.
Pay attention to the surroundings, eavesdrop on conversation.
It's giving me a lot of Uncharted vibes for some reason. Uncharted 4 जिसने खेली है, उसके इनिशियल मिशन में जहां पे तुम सूट अप होके एक पार्टी में जाते हो किसी चीज को रिट्रीव करने के लिए, उसमें बिल्कुल ऐसा सेम वाइब होता है. एंड बिकॉज नेथन इज वेरी टॉकेटिव एंड वेरी चार्मिंग बाय डिफॉल्ट, तो कुछ ऐसी वाइब आती है उस गेम के फर्स्ट मिशन में भी.
And talk your way in with the help of unexpected allies.
Relax, fellas. He's with me.
Once trespassing, slip past your opponents unnoticed, or use takedowns to silently get rid of them. When confronting a whole group of enemies, you may choose a gentler approach.
And hut. Rob Minkley, Crux Magazine.
Bluffing is an art that will serve you well.
I love the bluff feature भाई, but I wonder कि इसको स्किल अप करना पड़ेगा या फिर ये बस और बस certain enemies पे ही काम करेगा. I hope इसको स्किल अप करना पड़े, नहीं तो it will be too easy to just bluff your way in and have a fun time assassinating people.
Well, whether getting caught red-handed
Over here. Looks like a trust fall gone wrong.
or to simply pass through a room under enemies' noses.
Oi, you lads got a faulty coffee machine?
Bluffing
I
consumes
love that
instinct
vibe.
and
I
will
love
be
that.
available if a more experienced enemy is nearby. In this scenario,
okay.
you won't get far without the appropriate gear. Therefore, the second rule is to always come prepared.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Let's
MI6
go.
will keep its doors open for you between missions, giving you the chance to catch up with familiar faces, gather intel, and prepare for your next move.
So, your name is Moneypenny.
Now let's not get carried away, James.
QLab, on the lower level, will give you access to a wide range of gadgets.
I like it. Don't change a thing.
Each tool is designed to go unnoticed on the field, but help with maximum efficiency.
Right, follow me. I have something for you.
The Q-Lens will highlight useful information about opportunities and hackable devices. Your Q-Watch should be able to activate these to
I love the video games जो तुम्हें धीरे धीरे से नई skills या फिर नए gadgets देती हैं and unlock those things through the storyline itself or by playing the game and the missions या फिर उनमें अच्छा perform करके. Because what it does is it gives me an incentive to keep playing the game or keep getting better at the game. Whereas जिन गेम्स में आपको by default सब कुछ मिल जाता है ना, in the name of freedom of approaching the mission, उन गेम्स को खेलने में मजा नहीं आता. A lot of the times you end up not using those gadgets because the game is bombarding you with information. आप सीख ही नहीं पाते कि एक गैजेट काम कैसे करता है. So I'm loving the fact that you can unlock it through probably playing more missions and progressing through the story.
divert attention, deactivate cameras, or get rid of unsuspicious enemies in creative ways. The dot phone can quietly move enemies.
I love the animation. जो skull निकल गया था.
Unsuspicious enemies in creative ways.
I love it भाई.
The dot phone can quietly move enemies out of the way. The smoke pod, a timeless classic, will block visibility at short range. The modified earbuds will produce a flash of light to stun opponents. Other gadgets will be developed in due time and will help you stay creative in all
Yup.
circumstances.
This is so हिटमैन वाइब भाई. लाइक हिटमैन का जो एक पर्टिकुलर मिशन है जो मुंबई में सेट है, उसका भी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही वाइब आता है. बट इट्स लाइक अ लिटिल बेटर दैन हिटमैन. अगर तुम्हें ये चीज उसके बारे में पसंद ना हो कि ही इज अ हिटमैन, राइट? ही इज अ कोल्ड एस किलर. ही डजंट टॉक टू पीपल. ही डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डायलॉग्स. व्हेयरएज दिस गाय, ही इज गुड लुकिंग, ही इज विटी, ही सोशलाइजेस, ही ब्लफ्स. तो इसमें एक पर्सनालिटी वाली चीज आ जाती है कि भाई योर कैरेक्टर हैज अ गुड पर्सनालिटी वेयर ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ डायलॉग्स एंड इट विल बी मोर इमर्सिव टू प्ले दिस गेम probably because of the storyline.
Who you work for? Take the shot!
Knowing how to improvise is a matter of life and death in the midst of action. Any object at disposal could prove useful to put an enemy's ideas back in their place. The same could be said of guardrails, electrical panels, or any surface hard enough to act as a weapon. Under heated circumstances, MI6 grants you a license to kill, allowing for even more possibilities to get rid of hostiles. In these situations, any weapon could be used as long as you manage to obtain it. Switch between different playstyles to catch your attackers off guard, and don't forget to return what you borrowed once out of ammo.
I'm telling you bro, look at this frame. It's basically Uncharted. अगर Uncharted में हिटमैन वाले सारे मैकेनिक्स होते, बट सो फार जो मैंने एक चीज नहीं देखी है वो है इस गेम के स्टेल्थ किल्स और स्टेल्थ मैकेनिक्स which allow you to silently kill people from distance, like with a silenced gun. तो वो चीज़ हिटमैन में बहुत ज़्यादा फन है, वो मुझे करना बहुत पसंद है. That's my kind of play style. Like I used to play Metal Gear Solid 5 with silenced weapons all the time. मुझे non-lethal या फिर lethal silenced weapons से खेलना बहुत पसंद है. Like charging in और भसड़ मचाना is not my thing. I love it when my player walks away from the mission area without anyone noticing a thing और मैं पूरे एरिया को क्लियर कर चुका होता हूँ. Just my kind of play style.
Some enemies will be harder to defeat, and gadgets will help you get rid of soldiers' armors, stun tenacious leaders, and defuse grenades with the simple press of a button from your watch. Focus training will also give you an edge over your enemies. Dilate time and incapacitate their legs, or disarm them with the precision of a marksman. All of these skills might be trained.
Oh damn, this time dilation thing is reminding me of this game. Although Max Payne में भी था ये, but specifically मुझे एकदम से Control याद आई. I don't know if anyone of you has played that game because it wasn't a big hit. Also वो बहुत टाइम बस consoles पे रही थी तो बहुत लोगों को उसके बारे में पता नहीं, but Control is a very fun game अगर तुम्हें कभी भी जाके खेलनी हो. And considering how long it has been since it was released, normal PCs भी ठीक ठाक graphic cards के साथ उसको काफी अच्छे से उठा देंगे.
Between missions in Taksim, the department of Dr. Selena Tan.
Welcome to my dream factory.
Taksim will put your skills to the test through multiple types of challenges, each with its own specific rules that will pitch your performance against those of other agents from around the world.
Okay.
Overcoming challenges will earn you experience points, which you can spend on gadget upgrades, new firearms, and unique outfits to defeat
Oh, we do have silenced pistols. भाई ये उसका gameplay क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे हैं?
enemies in style. And remember, at IO Interactive, the launch of a game is only the start. New content for Taksim will be created over time.
Faster, James. Faster.
So, keep an eye out for our updates and get ready as new challenges lie
The punches feel a little clumsy. मतलब ऐसा फील हो रहा है जैसे ये एक trained individual है भी और नहीं भी है, somewhere in between. Whereas in games जहाँ पे spy को बहुत हार्डकोर ट्रेनिंग वाला स्पाई दिखाया जाता है या फिर हिटमैन दिखाया जाता है, जस्ट लाइक जॉन विक, हर चीज बहुत कैलकुलेटेड होती है. लाइक द पंचेस, एवरी मूव, दे नॉट स्विंगिंग अराउंड. वो बहुत ही प्रिसाइज मूवमेंट्स के साथ असैसिनेशंस करते हैं. तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ मिसिंग दैट इन दिस गेम, बट आई थिंक दैट्स द वाइब ऑफ दिस गेम.
ahead to put your 00 skills to the test. Finally, one last unwritten rule might be that an agent is never as good as when surrounded.
I wonder if this is going to be a semi-open world game or just a narrative game like Uncharted या फिर Last of Us की एक certain area तुम्हारे लिए unlock हो जाएगा, but उससे बाहर आप नहीं जा सकते.
By allies, a team ready to give its all in the field, and companions to defend. But we're pretty sure you'll figure out this part yourself when the time comes. See you on May 27th to join the program and discover Bond's adventures in 007 First Light.
Okay. Unlock 4 exclusive skins. I don't know man. मुझे बस और बस far right वाली black वाली यूनिफॉर्म पसंद आ रही है, बाकी सब इस ट्रैश भाई. Agent Smart Pistol. Gleaming items. Nah man, that's not my thing. I'm not spending extra money on Deluxe just for this bullshit भाई. Never. But anyway, इसका gameplay video देखते हैं. I'm like really excited to see more of the stealth features जो इन्होंने action और explosions दिखाने के चक्कर में अभी नहीं दिखाए हैं.
What he did in Iceland.
What he did was ill-disciplined, utterly reckless. Give me one good reason to put him in the program.
Yeah. Okay.
I think you just covered them all. It's really
Okay. So मेरे ख्याल से इसकी ये personality ही है. He's reckless. He's a loose cannon. ये जो भी करता है अपने हिसाब से करता है. Does not follow protocols. Is why उसके कुछ moves clumsy लग रहे हैं. But I get it.
quite simple. Bond is a bullet without a target. Let's give him one.
Bhai, what's with them teasing this particular lady?
What?
What's with them teasing us with this particular lady again and again? मेरे ख्याल से शायद romantic angle हो, शायद नहीं, I don't know.
Let's give him one.
First Light.
Hi, I'm Hakan Abrak, Game Director on 007 First Light. I know everyone has been waiting patiently to finally see our game, and that's exactly why we're here today. So without further ado, and on behalf of our talented team, I'm incredibly proud to introduce an extended playthrough of Bond's first mission as a recruit.
भाई ये सारा म्यूजिक ना मूवीज का लग रहा है मुझे. I hope मुझे ये म्यूट ना करना पड़े या मुझे डी नॉइज फिल्टर ना लगाना पड़े, क्योंकि उससे सारा ऑडियो बर्बाद हो जाता है. बट अगर मैंने नहीं लगाया तो वीडियो डाउन होने के चांसेस भी हैं. I'll just have to see when I upload this भाई.
Please enjoy our gameplay premiere of 007 First Light.
This is a black tag operation, so discretion, ladies and gentlemen, is critical.
This looks good. Hold on, can I increase the quality? Let me manually select it. मुझे YouTube के 1080p पे भरोसा नहीं है भाई. ऑटोमेटिक पे जब भी रहता है वो क्वालिटी कम हो जाती है.
Now I could get used to this.
This
Don't
looks
act too
good.
impressed, dearest, or you'll blow our cover. And James, do quit your pouting.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What could I possibly have to pout about?
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations. Someone must watch the perimeter. If 009 slips through our fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Exhilarating. Greenway's testing you, mate. That's all. Don't give him an excuse.
The cap looks good on you, though. Really brings out your cheekbones. Take a left up ahead, James.
Like in my head, मैं अभी imagine कर रहा हूँ कि what if we get a game like this, जो कि open world. We are actually about to get a game like this. GTA 6 might end up looking just like this or even better. और हो नहीं सकता कि उसमें desert और forest areas ना हो, because the map is going to be huge. Bhai. I'm so excited just thinking about it.
Backseat driver.
What's that, darling?
Just a frog in my throat.
Halt!
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, ma'am. Won't be a moment. All clear. Please proceed.
You think if I sold a kidney, I could afford to stay for a night?
I think I have. Stayed here, I mean. A wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It's dark and we've been drinking, so...
Oh, well, can.
At least Sheila will be happy.
Private jet.
What?
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all.
What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played.
And since when do you trust Greenway?
I never said I did.
They knew each other, though. That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
That begs the question, did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith or bad blood?
Well, we're about to find out. Pull up. This is our stop. We're live, gentlemen. Switch to comms. Monroe, with me. James, stay.
Save the world some other time, yeah?
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Welcome to the Grand Carpathian. Parking is right up ahead. Mr. and Mrs. York, enjoy your stay.
Much obliged.
Oh, they will.
Right. We're entering the premises. Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position. Singh, staff quarters.
Ronson, conference wing.
Kingsley, first floor suites. Bond. Bond.
Parking lot. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall. Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down. 009 most certainly won't. Out.
Okay, I'm noticing a thing कि इन्होंने पूरा गेम प्ले 30 FPS में रिकॉर्ड कर रखा है. लाइक मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले माफिया 3 मुझे डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पे मिल रही थी, तो मैंने डाउनलोड करके थोड़ी सी खेली बिकॉज आई नेवर एंडेड अप एक्चुअली जंपिंग इनटू द गेम बैक व्हेन इट वाज रिलीज्ड, बिकॉज इट वाज इनिशियली रिलीज्ड विद होप्स कि नेक्स्ट GTA गेम आने तक इट विल बी द नेक्स्ट बिग ओपन वर्ल्ड गेम और प्लेसमेंट फॉर इट. बट उसमें बग्स इतने ज्यादा थे, इवन दो द गेम वाज फैबुलस, द स्टोरी वाज रियली गुड, उसमें बग्स इतने ज्यादा थे दैट एवरीवन हु प्लेड दैट गेम डे 1 ड्रॉप्ड इट हाफ वे थ्रू. तो इस वजह से वो गेम चली नहीं. बट द गेम डिड नॉट हैव 60 FPS ऑन एनी कंसोल्स. मेरे ख्याल से आज तक भी उस पे 60 FPS नहीं है, इवन इफ यू बाय इट ऑन द न्यूअर कंसोल्स. एंड इट यूज्ड टू लुक डैम सिनेमैटिक. प्लेइंग इट ऑन 30 FPS इनिशियली मुझे बहुत बग कर रहा था एक टाइम पे, बट भाई मुझे याद है इवेंचुअली आई गॉट यूज्ड टू इट and it felt great to play it on 30 FPS. So I might end up locking the frames to 30 and increasing the quality of the graphics. But हाँ, definitely चीजें 30 FPS पे ज़्यादा cinematic लगती हैं, especially when we're talking about games with very cinematic views and story.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment.
No harm in stretching my legs. Bond, reporting suspicious behavior.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post,
Right.
James. That's an order.
तो ये प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो नहीं करता. That's his whole personality. I like it.
They had poor taste, if you ask me, and got what they deserved.
Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag. Missed him.
Afternoon, sir.
See, it's the cinematic motion blur जो 30 FPS में ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाता है गेम को, जिसकी वजह से चीज़ें ज़्यादा सिनेमैटिक और स्मूथ लगती हैं. इवन द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम वन सीन टू अनदर एंड पैनिंग द कैमरा वाइल वॉकिंग, सब कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है 30 FPS में. इज वाई ज़्यादातर जो तुम मूवीज़ देखते हो, they are recorded in 24 to 30 FPS.
Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
Can I duck through? I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
Better go and get my ID then.
If you want to catch your bellhop.
Fair point.
Do you think I could get Gretchen Wong's autograph of my daughter after the game? She dreams of going pro.
What's that?
Oh, okay. ठीक है. So what they're showing off right now is the freedom of approach. As in you can do 2-3 different things to infiltrate the building. I like that. इससे replay value game का बहुत बढ़ जाता है. Oh, I love how the guards, even from their blind spot, can actually notice you कि भाई कुछ तो गया साइड से. Whereas in a lot of the games, guards का एक vision fixed होता है कि उनको बस एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में सामने दिख रहा है. तो अगर तुम उनके साइड से भी क्राउच करके निकल जाओगे ना, they'll be completely unaware of you.
What the? God, sorry. Oh, my.
Oh damn, that's some Assassin's Creed kind of dart thing, bhai. That's cool. He picked up a lighter. Oh, ये distraction create करेगा. I see.
What?
I see.
Let's see. What is... Odd.
The one in the dining hall? Yeah, I checked it long ago. Wasn't so hard.
I mean, correct.
This is so Uncharted, bhai. This is so Uncharted.
Besides, I couldn't find a looking.
Gate crashing a black tie event. Haven't done that since final year.
I'm not really a white person.
What?
Ken Banks, penetration tester. I need to have a stern word with your manager.
Good to have you on the team.
Okay, let me stop you right
Oh damn, look at the graphics, bhai. Look at the
This guy
sun
better be
rays.
worth it.
Looks amazing, bhai. The interiors looks super amazing, भाई. मतलब तुम देखो कितना रियल दिख रहा है. If not for the human figures, अगर तुम बस और बस कॉरिडोर्स को देखो तो भाई ये बिल्कुल रियल लाइफ जैसा दिख रहा है भाई. द ग्राफिक्स इन मॉडर्न गेम्स आर जस्ट क्रेजी. लाइक मैंने हॉगवर्ट्स लेगेसी खेली थी एक बार RTX ऑन करके, ऑल्दो मेरा फ्रेम रेट बहुत ज़्यादा शूट डाउन कर गया था. बट भाई द इंटीरियर्स ऑफ द कैसल भाई क्या गजब लग रहे थे. लाइक अनरियल इंजन हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल अगर इसको थोड़ा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पे इसकी फोकस करें.
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in?
Dunno, but he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure.
Look at how real this is, भाई. Best thing, the hair has physics. I don't know for what reason, but I love it in video games. जब तुम्हारे प्लेयर के और NPCs के हेयर में फिजिक्स होती है, like they look real. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्लास्टिक सर पे रखी हुई है. Now when I go back and play GTA 5 sometimes, I realize कि उस टाइम के लिए वो ग्राफिक्स genuinely बहुत अमेजिंग थे. बट आज जब मैं खेलता हूँ तो मुझे सब कुछ नकली लगता है बिकॉज उनके कपड़ों में, उनके हेयर में कोई फिजिक्स नहीं है. And it looks old at this point now, but for that time, they really pushed the tech by. It was crazy good.
Now, let's see what all the fuss is about. There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
I gotta get back down there. Can you believe nobody chose a Scotch opener?
I literally have no idea what you just said.
Kingsley alert. Best not get spotted just yet. Need to build a case first.
Introducing bold tactical possibilities. Catch the momentum. I see.
Bond, status.
All was quiet in the parking lot. No sign of 009. Over. How do you do?
Where have I seen him before?
I think he models for Alexander Dupin.
Oh, right.
Now, where do you go?
This is the big Is it your own concoction?
I can't take credit, I'm afraid. The hotel owner has a huge collection of mixology books from the 20s.
Book collector, huh?
Now, yes, his pride and joy. He's got all sorts of antique books on display about the castle and local history.
Wonder if you could help me.
I'll certainly try, sir.
Did you notice the blonde bellhop who just passed through here?
There's a face you'd pick out in the lineup. Probably one of the Temps. He was asking for the directions to the backstage area.
A chess fiend. I knew it.
I'd stay clear of him.
Just need a quiet word. Nothing dramatic.
Looking for these?
Hold on. hell are you?
Not now. Eyes on the road. Look out.
The driving is good, bhai. It looks smooth so far, but I hope ये scripted कम हो और player को खुद इन चीज़ों को मूव करने की फ्रीडम ज़्यादा मिले. Because in Uncharted there was one mission जहाँ सिटी में से निकालना था एक ट्रक को, बट अदरवाइज ज़्यादातर जितने भी ऐसे एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे वो सारे स्क्रिप्टेड थे. तो आई होप ये फ्रीडम दें खुद से ड्राइव करने की प्लेयर को.
That's the car.
It's got too much of a head start. You need to cut some corners.
Careful what you wish for.
Ambulances, watch it.
Look out! Buckle up.
Sheep.
Bro, this one thing is so stupid about these games is कि these are special agents, ठीक है, trained individuals, and he just cut a corner by taking a shortcut. उसके बाद भी सामने वाली गाड़ी इतनी आगे पहुंची हुई है. How, dude? How?
You're right.
Oh, something is stuck in the car, भाई.
Left, go left.
Brace! There he is. Clear the road! Watch it! Hold tight.
Now we're talking.
Right. Who are you really?
Agent Charlotte Ross. I'm with the DGSE. That's...
French intelligence. James Bond. MI6.
Yes, I figured as much.
What's your interest in 009?
Beckett didn't spend his fugitive years on a golf course. That's what you think. DGSE has been hunting him for a long
Bro,
time.
look at that.
This is the closest we've ever gotten, and I'm not letting him slip through my fingers now.
Sounds like we have a conflict of interest.
How about we burn that bridge when we get to it?
Fine by me.
There. Pull over.
No sign of 009.
Plenty of his friends, though. I'm not loving the odds.
I've had worse.
Well, in that case. Get down there, draw their fire. I'll flank them. We need to keep that plane on the ground.
Well, what are we
Yup.
waiting for?
Yup.
There's that English.
This is not an open world or semi-open world like Metal Gear Solid 5. Basically, it drops you from one mission location to another. शायद वहाँ तक you'll get to drive and chase the car. But eventually, एरिया दोबारा से लिमिटेड हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट्स अ narrative driven action adventure game. It's cool though.
Bonne chance, James.
This looks good, bhai. This looks really good.
Looks like I've got a plane to catch.
Go! Grab the lift off now!
You were warned.
Damn, bro. The ragdoll physics is so realistic. I love it, bhai. तुम बुलेट का इम्पैक्ट चेक करो. लाइक इफ समवन इज शॉट ऑन द शोल्डर तो उस पर्टिकुलर शोल्डर से उनकी बॉडी पीछे की तरफ गिरती है. आई लव इट भाई, आई लव इट. For this mission, the game is clearly forcing the player to jump into action. और कोई तरीका नहीं है इस particular level को stealth play करने का. That's what I'm not liking so far. I wanted that freedom to approach every mission the way I want to approach it. Because the gun is given to the player by someone else जो कि silenced नहीं है. And then you take a shot and everyone gets alerted, or now you're into this action sequence जो तुम्हें play करना पड़ेगा खुद से. But I wish वो stealth approach का freedom होता.
Told me you needed a hand! No! Take him down!
Can't stay here. Please leave him.
Right behind you!
Damn. What? Why he just threw the gun? Why? That's crazy.
Push him out!
Oh, very stubborn.
Surrounded! Grab the hose!
What the hell, bhai? But okay, okay.
Oh no, you don't! Not without me!
Damn. So this game could either replace Hitman forever, or it could be somewhere in between Uncharted and Hitman. Like if Uncharted and Hitman had a baby, तो वो ये गेम होती भाई.
Okay, 009. You're next.
Package secure. Snug in the front. Did you kill the transponder? No such thing on the small radio stations 23 minutes out. No one's tracking us. Plenty of time to disappear. I'm back for Red Plan B.
Plane's flying dark. It's all up to me. Think. Need a way to force it down. If I could access the flight control system. Let's make some turbulence.
I was hoping कि ये गेम में knife lethal takedowns डालें, but I guess it's not going to be there because Bond doesn't do that. तो I think games भी कुछ वैसा ही theme follow करने वाली है. But अगर lethal knife takedowns होते just like Ghost Recon Breakpoint, तो भाई मजा आ जाता.
Never a dull moment. Ready to go.
Oh, damn. Release hand. What? What? Oh damn, bro, just let him live. That's crazy, bhai. This is not even a game. This is straight up a movie game. So I might really enjoy it because बहुत टाइम से मैं ओपन वर्ल्ड RPG गेम्स खेल रहा हूँ. एंड द प्रॉब्लम विद ओपन वर्ल्ड RPG सैंडबॉक्स गेम्स इज कि उनकी स्टोरी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होती है, और अगर होती भी है तो देयर इज सो मच टू डू कि तुम भूल ही जाते हो प्लॉट क्या था. तुम कुछ और ही कर रहे हो भाई. घंटे 300 घंटे निकल जाते हैं इन गेम्स में, एंड यू आर डूइंग सम बुलशिट एस स्टफ इन द ओपन वर्ल्ड, जस्ट फाइंडिंग आर्मर्स एंड सोर्ड्स. बट ऐसी गेम्स टाइम टू टाइम मुझे खेलना बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज दे कीप यू हुक्ड. तुम नेक्स्ट मिशन के बारे में लगातार सोचते रहते हो कि भाई आगे क्या, what does the story unfold? So it might really be enjoyable for me after so long.
Hey, I'm Patrick Gibson, and I am honored to announce that I'm playing James Bond in IO Interactive's much anticipated
We can
game,
tell, bro.
007 First Light.
Yeah, we can tell.
It's thrilling to be bringing this character to life in the gaming world, and I'm joined by an incredibly talented cast, including Lenny James as Bond's mentor Greenway, Priyanka Burford as M, Alistair McKenzie as Q, Kira Lester as Bond's most fervent supporter Moneypenny, and Noemi Nakai as the enigmatic Ms. Roth.
Bond's world is all about what's seen and what's hidden beneath the surface. You've just watched an extended mission playthrough. No commentary, just the raw experience. We hope you liked it just as much as we loved crafting it for you. But there's more than what meets the eye. In this next section, we'll guide you through how it all works. The tools, systems, and choices that shape the gameplay in 007 First Light. Let's take a closer look.
Welcome to the world of James Bond in 007 First Light, where infiltration and espionage are just two of many spycraft skills. In this mission, our unseasoned but highly trained Bond must track an assassin through a sophisticated Kensington gala. You'll want to blend in with the crowd while scouting for tactical options. Creating a mental map of available pathways without giving yourself away.
Trying to get past you.
Go to the security room. It's first floor, east wing, staff offices.
Got it.
Bond must gain access to the upper floors, but some areas are off limits, even for those with a stolen ticket.
Sorry, sir. Can't let you through.
Just looking for the bathroom.
Other side of the bar.
Dialogue from other characters can offer clues to the mission's progression. Listening in on conversations is a useful intelligence tactic, potentially revealing opportunities for an easy breach.
If he doesn't make an appearance in the next 10 minutes, he can watch from down here. Yeah, do that. Rob Minkley, Crux Magazine. And you are?
Okay, you can take two names, leave conversation. Okay.
Rob Minkley. Sorry for the wait.
About time, Mr. Minkley. No miss gave up on you. Right then, go grab your camera and I'll take you past security. What?
Photography can be such a negative experience.
Don't recognize him.
First Light provides multiple pathways for achieving Bond's objective,
Books you in off.
if he's prepared to get creative.
What?
It's like a stealth plus puzzle solving kind of game because तुम वहाँ से वापस आते हो, you know, needing a camera because you've lied to the lady about your identity. And now you have to find a camera, so you have to make an opportunity for yourself to get a camera. It's more of a puzzle solving game. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत concerning हो रहा है कि will this game restrict me with how I approach the mission? क्या ये मुझे actually hitman level freedom देने भी वाली है? Oh no, it actually can, because he got a camera from 3 different locations in this mission just now.
All set.
Follow me.
Bond's gamble has paid off.
The balcony should give you an excellent view of the stage.
Sorry, miss, but this man can't go upstairs.
Relax, fellas. He's with me.
You say so.
I read your articles in Crux Magazine on rogue AI and cognitive warfare.
Hopefully this is a good time to drop in.
You won't always receive the red carpet treatment, so sometimes...
Oh, okay. तो तुम्हें एक certain area तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा before you can actually jump into action, because it makes sense. इतने ज़्यादा लोगों में if you just go out guns blazing or you walk with a silenced pistol, it's not gonna work for you. तो तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ distraction create करके mission area तक पहुंचना पड़ रहा है. Okay, I get it. Makes sense.
You might have to take the initiative. In these highly volatile stealth situations, it pays to choose caution over direct confrontation, as everyone can be a valuable source of information.
Saunders. I'll be needing that key card.
Watch it.
What?
That needs a look.
Moments when Bond remains undetected offer the chance to survey hostile areas.
North exit. That's my way out.
Bond can use the environment to his advantage by choosing from multiple routes, exploiting opponents' positions or security vulnerabilities.
Christmas gifts are just clogged up my cabinet.
Depending on the situation and the odds, Bond can always go with a quick and blunt strategy.
Where is he?
Could have played that a little smoother, James.
Yeah, like usually with a silent pistol, you can just kill the guy जो दूर है and then take out the guy जो तुम्हारे पास है with a stealth takedown skill. But I don't know if that's even possible in this game.
He got away with it this time, but they could have called reinforcements. Alternatively, Bond can opt for a more elegant style, using the scan from his watch to highlight options for distraction and misdirection.
What was that?
I'll have a quick look.
Who sets this up? What's wrong?
That's crazy.
Your
man.
Q gadgets are custom developed
I think that works as an alternative for a silent pistol.
to be powered by resources found in the environment, so be sure to stock up when you have the chance. Aside from your signature watch, a gift from Q, you'll have other gadgets in your arsenal. The laser fires a direct beam of energy that can be used offensively against targets or tactically on environmental weak points,
Take care of that right away.
opening up strategic options to avoid combat or spring traps. The smoke device confuses and disorients foes, letting you pass through undetected, offering a chance for concealed stealth takedowns. The world of 007 First Light will see Bond face different opponents, some of whom cannot be bluffed or charmed into compliance. Using a dart phone to incapacitate them will give you an opportunity to talk your way out with a charismatic flourish.
First, I asked for Boston's.
Oi, I need to find Saunders. There's a chance the suspect is dressed as security. The bastard could be hiding right under your noses.
Damn. I'll keep an eye out for new faces.
Oh, so okay. जो armored individual है उसके साथ bluff नहीं किया जा सकता because he will approach to confront you or inspect you. But all of these other guys, the underlings, can be bluffed with. So he took that one out and इन सबको इसने बेवकूफ बना दिया. Okay, I like that feature.
But sometimes, hard as you may try to stay hidden, a fight is unavoidable.
If he was from MI6.
What? Excuse me? Who are you looking for?
Relax, off-duty museum security.
Don't.
Having been discovered, Bond will need to rely on more than wit and charm to contain the situation. In melee combat against multiple assailants, you'll need to think fast. Combining throws, parries, and direct strikes with environmental takedowns and items.
Simon says don't get up.
I like that. I like that pool ball takedown by.
Sometimes James will need more than his fists to get out alive. When enemies show clear intent to shoot and kill Bond, you will be granted a license to kill. Trained by the Royal Navy, Bond is an expert marksman. His Q pistol firearm is a great conversation starter. Enemies can provide additional firearms. You'll just have to borrow them for a moment. With quick thinking, you can turn the tables on your enemies by making the very environment a deadly weapon.
Is there a gun fu in this game? अगर होता तो शायद ये दिखा देते because I remember Watch Dogs Legion में gun fu था and भाई it used to feel amazing to just get close to the NPCs and get that finisher. I wish इसमें ये होता. I wish.
Gadgets used for stealth and infiltration can also be deployed in combat to disrupt enemy attacks or provide further offensive options. Allowing you to fight fire with fire or distract to make your escape. Adversaries come equipped with different levels of armor, requiring either greater ballistic might or tactical improvisation. To support him in challenging situations, Bond can use his own instincts. This mode will help you focus on your most difficult targets. Whether human...
Oh, you can disarm people by, that's cool.
Or environmental. Bond must be fast, cunning, and uncompromising to prevail in the world of 007 First Light.
Thank you for your visit. We hope to see you again.
Somehow I doubt that.
Yeah, the last few scenes were in 60 FPS. That confirms my doubt कि the game is going to look more cinematic in 30 FPS only. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं 30 में ही खेलूँ भाई. It will also give me more room for, using the higher graphic settings. और खरीदने तो मैं इसको वाला ही हूँ because it looks like a fun game which I can use to burn time. I hope इसमें story mode के अलावा कोई और mode भी हो जिसमें you just get deployed to a mission and you can play it however you want. But I guess at this point I'm asking for too much because this looks like a big budget project. Yep, this is it for this video, bhaiyon. Let me know if you're going to buy this game and play it as well tomorrow, and I will see you brothers in the next one. Peace.